We all have dreams. These desires live within our hearts, longing to become real. But how do we bridge the gap between wishing and having? The answer lies in the incredible power of our minds. Our thoughts are potent forces. They shape our reality. When we focus on what we want, we attract it into our lives. Visualization is a powerful technique for harnessing this mental energy. It's about creating clear, vivid images of our goals. We see, feel, and experience them as if they are already here. This is not mere daydreaming. This is conscious creation. It's about aligning our energy with our desires. The human mind is a remarkable thing. It doesn't easily distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. When we consistently visualize our goals, we send powerful messages to our subconscious. We tell it what we want to experience. This sets in motion a chain of events. We start attracting people, opportunities, and resources that align with our vision. One of the most effective and enjoyable visualization techniques is creating a vision board. Think of it as a collage of your aspirations. It's a visual representation of your dreams, brought to life with images, words, and symbols that resonate with your soul. Creating a vision board is a deeply personal and creative process. Gather magazines, photographs, quotes, and anything else that speaks to your heart. Choose images that embody your goals. Do you envision a loving relationship? Find a picture that represents that connection. Do you dream of traveling the world? Include photos of those breathtaking destinations. As you select each element, hold it in your hands. Feel the emotions that it evokes within you. These feelings are your internal guidance system. They tell you what truly matters to you. Don't censor yourself. Let your imagination run wild. Your vision board is a judgment-free zone where anything is possible. Throughout history, countless individuals have attributed their success to the power of visualization. Olympic athletes use it to enhance their performance, picturing themselves crossing the finish line in first place. Entrepreneurs visualize their businesses thriving, attracting customers and achieving their financial goals. Oprah Winfrey, a global icon and media mogul, is a firm believer in the power of visualization. She used vision boards throughout her life to manifest her dreams, from landing her dream job to achieving unimaginable success in the entertainment industry. Her story is a testament to the fact that our minds are powerful tools for creation. Jim Carrey, the beloved comedian and actor, famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered years before he achieved Hollywood stardom. He carried this check in his wallet, visualizing his future success. His story is a powerful reminder that belief and unwavering faith in our vision are essential ingredients for manifestation. While the concept of visualization might seem mystical to some, there is a growing body of scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness. Neuroscience research has shown that our brains don't differentiate much between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When we visualize, we activate the same neural pathways that fire when we actually engage in the activity. This means that consistent visualization can actually rewire our brains for success. It helps us develop the skills, beliefs, and habits necessary to achieve our goals. By repeatedly experiencing our desired outcomes in our minds, we program ourselves to act in ways that support our vision. Moreover, visualization helps reduce stress and anxiety. When we focus on positive outcomes, we shift our attention away from worry and fear. This allows us to approach challenges with a calmer, more confident mindset, increasing our chances of success. It's important to remember that visualization is not a magic bullet. It's not about sitting back and waiting for our dreams to fall into our laps. Instead, it's about aligning ourselves with our desires and taking inspired action towards them. Our vision boards serve as powerful reminders of what we're working towards. They ignite a fire within us, motivating us to take those small, consistent steps that lead to big results. When we combine visualization with action, we create a powerful synergy that propels us towards our goals. So don't be afraid to dream big. Embrace the power of your imagination. Create a vision board that reflects your heart's desires, and then take action. Show up every day and do the work, even when it's hard. The universe is conspiring to support you.